120 plus reviews in 4 days, and that was one of Tony's competitors. So clearly there is some nefarious stuff going down. There is some black hat stuff going down to get these reviews. 120 reviews in 4 days, unless you are making a significant amount of sales, just does not happen. Typically on Amazon, this of course depends on the category, but typically on Amazon, you're looking at between 1 and 2% of the people that buy a product on Amazon will actually then go and leave a review. So for every 100 sales, you'll get 1 to 2 reviews. That's a normal average on Amazon. So anytime that's not happening, that goes onto Amazon's radar. Now, however, having said that, what happens if your competitor is gaming the system? What happens if your competitor actually doesn't get you onto there and actually is gaming the system and getting a huge advantage, and you are wanting to drop them in the shit? You're wanting to dob them in. How do you go about dobbing them in? So I wanted to cover that because most folks don't realize that in actual fact, you can report your competitors if you think they're doing anything nefarious, whether that is gaming the review system, or indeed you think that they're engaging in black hat tactics against you as a seller. It's actually very, very simple to report them on Amazon, and Amazon will actually go out of their way to make sure that they investigate every single report that comes through. So how do you do that? Let me just change my screen. I'm going to give you this little thing here. What's that, number 4? So first of all, dead easy. Oops, dead easy. So that is the email address you want to use. Now, you want to use that email address for all marketplaces. Why? In my experience, that email address gets the most attention. So whilst you may think, okay, well, we're selling on Australia, therefore it's got to be that, I have found I get a much better outcome by going with the .com. Regardless of the marketplace I'm selling in, I go with the .com, and I find I get a much better outcome for that. All right, so that's the first thing you want to do. You want to email listing-abuse@amazon.com, and everything that goes there gets investigated. But you also want to make sure you're putting the right information onto that. So you want to put things like the ASIN, if you've got them, before and after images are also good to have on there too. Any supporting evidence you can give the abuse team, you want to give it to them. So you want to make their job as easy as possible. Give them as much evidence as you possibly can. The more you can give them, the faster they will be able to take action and to get rid of those things that are on there. All right. So that's the first thing you should do. There's another way of reporting as well that I have used, and I've had mixed success with this. So let me just show you what it is. Am I logged into my Seller Central account? No, I'm not. It doesn't matter. Okay, cool. Doesn't matter. So this is the other one as well. I'm just going to give you this link. I thought I had to be logged in, but I don't need to be logged in, which is good. I'll put this in the chat for you. Send to all. There you go. So you should also use this to report to, but I have actually found it's much better just to go directly to the listing-abuse one and then put in information to back up and support what you're saying, and that's going to be good because Amazon is massively under scrutiny at the minute, like hugely, from lots of different countries as well. So obviously in the UK, there was that whole thing, what I put down here for you, where Amazon's been caught, well, not Amazon specifically, but some of the trusted reviewers, like top 10 reviewers on Amazon, have been caught doing dodgy stuff, giving reviews away in exchange for money, in exchange for goods, which we all know happens, of course, but never good to get caught doing that. So there's that, but also in the EU, like it's crazy right now with antitrust things in the EU, and also in the USA as well. So they're really onto this. I guess that's what I'm trying to say. They're really, really onto this. There's never been a better time to dob in your competitors and put them in the shit. If you've got a case to make, you can get some fast action taken for sure. Okay, so it's well worth doing. Absolutely well worth doing. Now, I'm going to put those two things directly into the Facebook group. So if you're watching this and you're like, how the hell do I do that, Neil? Well, I'm going to put these directly into the Facebook group for you too. And just when you come in next time, just search how to report a competitor who's using black hat tactics. Just search for that and you will get up that particular post, all right? Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.